Now, guys, you see, now we are really experiencing God doing this thing. Now, I just want to show you these walls. I want to take you through these walls so that you can have a look and see that we are truly finishing this up now. Check that wall. Check that wall. Check. You see? We are now inside. Now, as you see, now we are inside now. We are inside now. This can only be God, guys. This can only be God. You see? Amazing. 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 Amazing, guys. Amazing. I'm now inside. I'm now inside. It's amazing. I'm telling you the truth. It's amazing. Remember, here we're going to put the slab and we're going to have the sort of the balcony. We're going to have offices upstairs. We're going to put the stairs here. That is why we are not closing here. They are designing the slab that will close here. Then we're going to have offices at the top. Then we're going to have media room at the top and bathroom at the top there. Then we're still going to use that space at the top. That is why we left it open. And even that side of the stage, we left it open. But this other side, we are closing it up. We are closing it up. You can see now that we are really in the church. We are really in the church. And it was just in February when I stood here and declared. I declared in February that God is going to fill this place with a building. I declared that God is going to fill this place with a building. And look. And just have a look. This is outside. You can see already that the church is taking a very nice shape. You can see. Remember, I told you that that open space is for the slab. We're gonna put the slab there so that we can have offices at the top. Then you can just have a look. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Let me take you to the house there. I want to show you the house there. Because we are also building a house here. Let me just take you there. Let me take you there quickly. Now this is the house, you know. This is the house that... This house is going to have a bathroom here. There's going to be the office here. There's going to be the kitchen, the bedroom, bathrooms, and showers here. You see, this house is coming. Now, when you move from the house here, we're going to have a walkway that goes straight to the church. Using that way. There is going to be a closed walkway. From the house, you walk straight in a closed walkway, then you enter the church space. Now this is the house. You can see the rooms already are shaping up. This is gonna be an outside room here. Now this space here, where you see here, this open space, you're gonna put a swimming pool here. You're gonna put a swimming pool. You see the church is here, the house is here. Then here we're gonna put a swimming pool. The swimming pool for baptism. Then we're gonna close this door for safety and close this one for safety. So that the swimming pool is here. When we baptize people, we come this side and we can be able to baptize them. Now, this is another angle. This is another angle. You see? You see what God is doing here. You see what God is doing here. Now this is, let me show you this wall of the house. How far it is also going. Because remember, our plan is to run this project currently. Yeah, this now I'm in the house. Notice this is not a church, this is in the house. Now this is gonna be the bathroom here in the house. And this is gonna be the kitchen here. There's a kitchen here, then there's gonna be my office here. It's gonna be, this is the office. And this is gonna be the garage. When I come here, I'll park here. You see the gate, there is a gate there. There's a garage. And the car will come here, park, then go to my office from the garage. And I'll be in the office here. Then here there's gonna be a bedroom. This is a bedroom. You can see here there's a bedroom. It says inside there is a bathroom here in the bedroom. It's gonna be a bathroom here, and then everything here you can bath here and whatever. And then when you are done preaching, you can come here, refresh, change, and then you can go. And there's gonna be another bathroom here again in the house here. It's gonna be another bathroom here with the every equipment that you need for bathroom, they will be here. Then this is gonna be the kitchen here. This is the kitchen here. Then you arm here through the kitchen. Then here, when I have guests for the service, then they will sit here in the bathroom. I'll put a nice bathroom here. Now, you can see that God is just doing this thing. I'm just taking you through this so that you see what we are busy with here. And before you know it, will be done. Before you know it, will be done. It will be done. Now, all in all, I was just taking you through to see what we are busy doing here. We are still anticipating that by December we will be done with almost everything here, believing God. Remember, we started digging the first hole here in the in March. Then it has been April, May, June, July, August. This is our 5th month. This is just our 5th month. And we are almost there. We are almost there. We are almost there. This is our 5th month. We are almost there. We are definitely almost there. By the end of September, we want, when the rainy season starts, this place will be closed. We'll have put windows here and the doors. And then we are busy with the floor here. We're going to work this floor so that we put A very nice carpet here. You can see this floor. They're still gonna work it before we put the carpet. And then they're gonna be chairs. And then the stage is gonna there. We are also planning to have an LED screen at the back there. From that corner to that corner, we want to put the LED screen so that whatever is happening there, you can see it from the big screen there. Now, all in all, I think we can put 2,005 people here. 2,500 we can put here. There's enough space here. There's enough space to put as many people as the Lord will allow to come here. Yeah, but all in all, we bless the Lord. We give God the glory. We give God the honor. I just love the closed part. I just love the closed part. You see, it's closing nicely, guys. It's closing very nicely. It's closing very nicely. I love the way it's closing. You can see now this one is fully closed to the top. It's fully closed. Closed. And we still have some rooms here. I told you that there's gonna be another office and the bathroom at the top there again, and the media room at the top there. And here we have our children's school here. This is our children's church here. Yeah, here we're gonna have the stairs. You can see the drawing. They're gonna have a stairs that goes to the first floor. And when you enter, you will go to the first floor. Now this side is our library and our reception here. It's got a library here and our reception here. It's a nice space, enough space. We have a library and the reception here. And we're gonna put a nice wall here so that we separate these bathrooms. Now these are the bathrooms here. Let us come in here. Let us come in here and I show you. These are the nice spacious bathrooms here that you can see. There's enough here. These are bathrooms. You can see the connections are almost already there. The connections are there. Connections are there. Connections are there. Connections are there. Then we're gonna put a slab closing the whole thing. Then here we're gonna have our basins and other stuff here. And this is another bathroom here. You come in, you go through this, then yeah. I'm just taking you through this so that you can see. Then we have another bathrooms here also. We have other bathrooms here. These ones we have made them to accommodate. If you're driving a wheelchair, you can be able to come and use these ones and that one and that one. Then it's enough space to move if you are on a wheelchair or something, so that you can be able to do that. Yeah, that's it, guys. That's it. I was just taking you through the journey of what God is doing here. Then it's indeed the works of grace. And we are humbled by God to be able to do this work. Yeah. Then all in all, the Lord is faithful. He will never leave us and He will never forsake us. Let me just take it to the side of the main entrance here. We stopped at this level because of what we're going to put, the slab that we are waiting for. Daddy, all right. You see this, and remember that we have our own borehole here. We don't use municipalities' water. We have a borehole there that is feeding these tanks. Now these JoJo tanks are fed by our borehole. Now the borehole is filling these tanks. I think it's 2,000 liters. Then the water we used to build here is already coming from our borehole. We don't buy the water. We are getting it from the borehole. Yeah. Guys, thank you very much and be blessed. Thank you for praying for us and with us. And thank for those who have been assisting in any way that they were enabled by God to assist. And we appreciate. And may the Lord bless you and may the Lord keep you till we meet again. Shalom.